Here you go, lunchbox is ready. Hello my wellness tribe. Welcome back to our channel Tiash @ California. This is your health coach Tiash. So in our last party, we ended up this lively debate. I casually mentioned, someday I might turn vegetarian. Honestly, it's my love for eggs holding me back. My friend Chilla jumped in, saying, you won't get enough protein from a vegetarian diet. Then my another friend, Tanu, she's super sweet. She said, then how even Virat Kohli playing so well? He turned vegetarian too? Oh my goodness. Well, this debate will continue and it's our personal choice and I truly respect that. But today I want to show you how powerful Indian vegetarian meals can be. These are not just any meal. They are high protein, super delicious, weight loss friendly, and yes, perfect for lunchbox too. If you are on a weight loss journey, protein is your best friend. It keeps you full, reduces cravings, and supports in muscle recovery. An average sedentary adult needs 0.8 gram of protein per kg of body weight. But friends, when you are hitting gym and doing strength trainings, building some muscles, that requirement increases from 1.4 to 1.6 gram of protein per kg of body weight. And today's recipes will help you to hit those numbers in a delicious and easy way. Before we dive into the recipes, don't forget to download the free recipe guides, which include all the 3 recipes, measurements, macros, and tips. Link is in the description box below. Let's start with a delicious, high-protein green moong lentils wrap or chilla recipe. Moong dal is a powerhouse of protein. I soaked it overnight and it sprouted. Just for reference, 14 grams of dry moong dal gives us 4 grams of protein. Here I am making a batter using the soaked moong dal, ginger, green chili, salt according to the taste, and water. Our chilla batter or batter for wrap is ready. I'm gonna keep it aside and prepare the stuffing. For stuffing, I'm gonna use grated paneer and veggies. From 100 grams of paneer, we can get 18 grams of protein. Heat 1 tablespoon of mustard oil in a pan. Add cumin seeds and let them crackle. Then add finely chopped onions and saute until translucent. Next, add frozen mixed vegetables of your choice and saute with your favorite spices. I am using turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder and salt to taste. Coat the vegetables with spices. Now add grated paneer and mix everything really well. Cook it for a couple of minutes. And your stuffing is ready. Transfer it to a plate and let it cool slightly. In the meantime, let's prepare our chillas. Add half teaspoon of ghee or clarified butter on the pan. Next, add a spoonful of moong dal batter and spread it gently. Watch how it sizzles. Once it sets, flip it over to cook the other side. Repeat for the second chilla. Now take them on a plate, place the stuffing in the center. And roll it like a wrap. And there you go, your high-protein vegetarian wrap is ready. Enjoy it hot at home or pack it in your lunchbox. This is great for kids' lunchbox too. I'm sure today my son will finish his lunch. Don't forget the hung cut on the side. And the complete lunchbox is ready. This meal keeps you full for hours thanks to fiber and protein, a great way to prevent unnecessary snacking. Next we are going to prepare khichdi. But it's not just any ordinary khichdi. It's high protein soya-millet khichdi with paneer. This is our desi protein bowl. A single serving can provide about 40 grams of protein. This is my overnight soaked jowar, also known as sorghum millet. I pressure cooked it for 20 minutes. Look how soft they are now. Our protein sources for this recipe are paneer, soya granules and peanuts. Let's start. Heat 2 teaspoons of mustard oil in a pan. Add cumin seeds, curry leaves, and a handful of unsalted peanuts. Toss them well. Now add fresh chopped vegetables and saute nicely. Then goes our frozen mixed vegetables. Now we are adding soya granules. Stir well. Add grated ginger. Salt to taste. Stir well and pour in some hot water. Cover and let it cook until the granules turn soft. Now mix in the cooked jowar millet. Sprinkle in your favorite spices. I am using turmeric powder, chili powder and coriander powder. Stir well. Then add fresh paneer cubes and combine everything well. Cover and let it cook for 5 minutes. Finally garnish it with fresh cilantro and squeeze of lime. Serve hot or pack it for lunch. Trust me, it's super delicious and comforting. Next time, ditch your sabudana khichdi and have this instead. It's paired beautifully with a simple raita. Soya and millet together provide complete protein. We are also adding additional protein like paneer, peanuts, and yogurt. This will keep you fuller for longer while stabilizing your energy level. For our final recipe, we are making a chickpeas curry with quinoa pulao and raita, a perfect combination. I soaked my chickpeas overnight and then pressure cooked them. I soaked my quinoa too. And look, it's sprouted now. We are adding colorful vegetables to our pulao. Everyone has their own method of cooking chickpeas curry or chana masala. I have my own way too, and that's why I am not showing it in this video. But if you would like the recipe, just comment below. I'll be happy to share it with you. Now let's make the pulao. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Add cumin seeds. When it crackles, add the fresh vegetables and saute them well. Next, add the frozen mixed vegetables. Cover and cook. Vegetables are tender now. It's time to add the sprouted quinoa. Salt to taste. Mix well. And pour in just enough hot water to reach the top of the mixture, not more, or it's turned mushy and the grains won't stay separate. Cover and cook. By this time, our chickpeas curry is ready too, and my entire kitchen is smelling like a restaurant. Let's check our pulao. And it's ready. Just look at it, the fluffy quinoa. Now comes the best part, plating. The beautiful pulao, the rich and aromatic chickpeas curry, and the creamy raita on the side. It's vibrant, nourishing, and so inviting. And it's ready. The spices, the textures, the warmth. This is what clean, comfort food looks like. Enjoy it hot or pack it up for a satisfying lunchbox meal. Chickpeas are rich in both protein and fiber, aiding digestion and helping regulate blood sugar, especially when paired with whole grains like quinoa. Have you ever cooked with sprouted quinoa? Drop your favorite combination in the comments. I would love to try them. You have seen 3 powerful high-protein Indian veg recipes which are packed with flavor and perfect for lunch boxes. If you are excited to try them out, please download the free recipe guide which includes the tips, measurements and macros. Link is in the description box below. If you found these high-protein veg meals are helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and share it with your friends and family members who are skeptical about plant-based protein. Show them how delicious and nutritious they can be. Let's make our wellness journey easy and enjoyable. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.